Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy, hope you're healthy and inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today, I'm asking the question, if I told you that if you gave me $5 and I would give you 500, would you do it? Now this is sort of a parable. I'm going to dive more deeply into this, but it's a very applicable parable to every single business owner, and I want you guys to grasp this. Before we dive in, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and my company has had the pleasure of supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale successful juice bar concepts, smoothie bar concepts, acai bowl businesses, and healthy cafes, as well as running our own businesses in this sector. So all the information on this channel is coming from that experience. Early invitation to press the like button. I appreciate you for showing your appreciation for this channel. It inspires us to make more content. As I'm sure you know, it's free to press the like button, and this content's not the easiest to make. So the more you support the channel, the more inspired we'll be to continue to make content for you all. Now, diving in, like I mentioned in the beginning, just asking a question. And the answer is obvious, but a lot of times people don't think about this when it comes to their business. So just asking you a question. If I told you you could give me $5 today and I will give you $500 tomorrow, would you do it? Of course you would, okay? The reason is because it's a no-brainer investment. You're going to make more money than you spend. Now, how does this translate to you and your business? It's all about investing in many areas, but in particular, the one I want to talk about today is marketing, okay? Oftentimes, people don't invest marketing up front because they think that they need to make that money up front. This is why I told you if you give me $5 today, I'll give you $500 tomorrow. And really, the $500 that I'm going to give you, it might be over a 6-month period of time. It may be over a year's period of time as a customer. But if you knew that if you spent $5 on acquiring me as a customer, I'm going to break this down more. I know it might seem a little bit vague right now, but we're going to get into it. But if you knew you can invest $5 in acquiring me as a customer through your marketing, and you were aware that my yearly customer value is maybe $500, it could be more than that. And $500 is in some situations might be a small amount. Some customers are going to spend $1,000 with you over the year. Sometimes they're going to spend $2,000 depending on the customer over a year's period of time, okay, or more. So the question you have to ask yourself when you're thinking about marketing is, what is the lifetime customer value? What is the yearly customer value? And how much do I need to invest in acquiring that customer? And like I said, this is all metaphoric, but it might be $5. It might be $10, okay? But the point is that you need to realize that marketing has to start first in order for you to acquire customers, and you can have that lifetime value of having a large and consistent customer base. Most juice business owners don't invest in their customers up front, and then therefore they don't have a big customer base because they're too worried about the expense, right, as opposed to the investment. And that's a different way of thinking about your business. If you're thinking about marketing as an expense and not an investment, it's because you're not marketing correctly, or you don't have the strategies. You don't know what you're doing, or you're not, because it is true to say that it is all in the execution. It's not just if I invest $5 and I don't know how to creatively get people's attention or target my customers or give them a compelling offer, right? There are all these other elements to make your marketing campaigns effective. So if you don't do that correctly, then no amount of money is going to help you. But if you do that effectively and you invest the money correctly, then guess what? Over the long term, while you might invest more money up front, over the long term, it's going to pay itself back in dividends because you're going to acquire more customers, new customers who are going to definitely enjoy your product because your product's great and your customer service is great. And they're going to come back to your business over and over. Some customers every single day, every other day, a few times a week. That's very valuable for your company. So if you are in a place where you're struggling with marketing your business and you want more customers, you want to grow your customer base, please feel free to reach out to me personally, Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. I'm happy to help and talk about how our company can support you. We do marketing for so many clients, and we know the things that work. And like I said in the beginning of this video, we've been in this industry for a long time. And so I understand customer psychology because I am this consumer. I also understand how people from a business standpoint can do these things effectively and economically, but it's always important to have compelling offers, even for our business. There are periods of time where we would give away free smoothies to new customers, right? And because, yeah, it would cost us from a cost standpoint $2, $3 for the smoothie, right? But we knew that if we got even a fraction of the people who we gave a free smoothie to fall in love with our company and come back to us regularly, we would make money on that. It's all about acquiring new customers and growing your customer base. And then from there, the second phase of marketing will kick in, which is about getting your customers to come in more often and to invest more money in your product. So like I said in the beginning, if you guys are in a place where you want to find out how to grow your customers, right, to make more money in your business, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Happy to talk to you about how we can help you. I hope this has been insightful and just expands your mind to understand that you have to invest in marketing up front. You have to do it correctly to grow your customer base. And yes, you can see it as an expense, but it's really an investment so you can grow your business over the long run. Because once you have a new customer and a new customer tries your product, they fall in love with your product, it's less expensive to remarket to them because now they know. But if you have people walking into your business, which I had this experience and many people that I talk to have this experience, where consumers are walking into your business after you've been open for 6 months or a year or 2 years, and they're saying, oh, wow, I didn't even know you were here. Or I've always driven by, but I never really came in. What does that mean? That means that your marketing is not effective. And think about how much money you lost in that 6 month or 2 year period of time that person wasn't visiting your store. It's all about framing things correctly, okay? Investing a little and getting a lot. So I hope this helps. As always, wishing you guys a lot of success. If you haven't liked the video yet, another invitation to like the video. We appreciate you. Questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. Tell me what strategies you guys are using to market your business. Put it in the comment box below. And then subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get alerted anytime we release new content. Lastly, follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. There's exclusive things that we're doing there on Instagram, giveaways, right? Things that you only will find there. So you want to follow us on Instagram. And then lastly, we've got a podcast on Spotify and on iTunes, the Juice Bar Experts podcast, if you like listening to podcasts. Until next time, this is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you guys at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 steps to starting a juice business from scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.